Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Nobody ever said that buying a new garage door is an easy task. After all, would you just walk into a car dealership and tell a salesman that you just need 4 tires and a steering wheel? Of course not. There are tons of options and details that go into making a decision. Having options is what distinguishes your door from all the rest out there. And those options give you full creative control while customizing and designing your new garage door. In order to do that, you're going to need a tool that allows you to see what different styles of doors will look like against something that approximates your home's exterior. Luckily for you, Precision Door has a new toy for you to play with that puts you right in the driver's seat of a door designer. Simply log on to precisiondoor.net/designer to start your masterpiece. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a house that resembles your own. The only way to get a clearer vision on what your new garage door will look like is to have a template that looks something like the exterior of your actual home. First, choose your type of door. Do you have a single door? Do you have a double door? Perhaps a double wide door? Then choose the exterior style of your home. There are many different options to choose from, such as brick, stucco, or shingles, just to name a few. There's even a tool to change the color of the home so that it better resembles your own. Step 2. Choose a panel design. Essentially, this is the face of your door. How do you want yours to look? Step 3. Choose a top section. Now you can simply leave your door with a solid panel, or you can add some tasty eye candy with beautiful glass windows, or perhaps a glass window design. Which one are you going to choose? In steps 4 and 5, you're choosing your hardware. Select your door handles and hinges from some of the best quality hardware and designs on the market today. Step 6 is all about the color. To complete your design, choose the best color that appeals to your senses. Have you ever wondered what a dark wood grain might look like on your house? Have you ever been torn between the almond and sandstone colors? Well, here's your chance to explore your options without making a regretful commitment. Now that your garage door is completely designed, move on to step 7, where you get to share and get feedback from your friends. In an era where social media is being used to share everything from photos to mind-numbing thoughts, why not share your design with your friends on Facebook? See if your garage door gets the thumbs up or the thumbs down from your friends before you actually commit to putting it up on your house. And while you're on Facebook, don't forget to like the Precision Door page where you can double up on your garage door coupons. Last but not least, step 8. Request a quote. Once you've settled on your design and you got your decision co-signed by your friends on Facebook, fill out the short form and send it over to us at Precision Door for an estimated quote. Then you'll be one step closer to having your vision become a reality. So what are you waiting for? Log on to precisiondoor.net/designer and come play with our new door designer tool. Your new self-designed garage door is just a couple of clicks away. We're Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Precision Door service, a name you can trust.